Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Gentle English Start.
Hi there. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. This podcast is for English learners who want to listen to simple, natural conversations.
That's right. We talk about everyday life and we speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along.
Today, we're going to talk about hobbies and free time. What do we like to do when we're not working?
Yes, it's a fun topic. Everyone has different ways to relax and enjoy their time.
So, let's start the conversation.
So, Jake, what do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I'm pretty relaxed about my free time. I like to watch videos online.
What kind of videos?
Oh, all kinds. Sometimes I watch funny videos, people doing silly things. It makes me laugh.
Yeah, those are fun.
And sometimes I watch videos about cooking or travel. I like learning about new places, even if I'm just sitting on my sofa.
That sounds nice. So you like to relax at home?
Exactly. After a long day, I just want to sit down and not think too much. What about you, Emma? What do you do?
I'm a bit different. I like more structured hobbies.
Structured? What does that mean?
It means I like activities with a plan or a routine. For example, I really enjoy reading.
Oh, reading. What do you read?
Mostly novels. I love fiction. Right now, I'm reading a mystery novel.
Is it good?
Yes, it's really exciting. I try to read for at least 30 minutes every night before bed.
Every night? Wow, that's dedication.
Well, I try. Sometimes I'm too tired, but reading helps me relax and sleep better.
That makes sense. Do you read paper books or on a device?
I prefer paper books. I like the feel of holding a real book, but sometimes I read on my phone if I'm traveling.
Yeah, phones are convenient. I listen to music on my phone a lot.
Oh, you like music?
I love music. I listen to it almost every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I listen to all kinds, actually. Pop, rock, sometimes jazz. It depends on my mood.
Do you listen while you're doing other things?
Yeah, definitely. I listen when I'm cooking, when I'm cleaning the house, even when I'm walking to the shops.
So music is always with you?
Pretty much. It makes everything more enjoyable. Do you listen to music too?
Yes, but not as much as you. I usually listen when I'm at the gym.
Oh, right. You go to the gym, don't you?
I do. I go 3 or 4 times a week.
Wow, that's a lot. I'm impressed.
Thanks. It's become a habit now. I've been going regularly for about 2 years.
What do you do at the gym?
I do a bit of everything. Sometimes I run on the treadmill, sometimes I lift weights, and I also take yoga classes.
Yoga? That sounds difficult.
It can be, but it's also very relaxing. It helps with stress.
Maybe I should try it.
You should. Do you do any exercise?
Not really. I walk sometimes. Does that count?
Of course it counts. Walking is great exercise.
Okay, good, because I'm not really into the gym. It's not for me.
That's fine. Everyone is different. You prefer to relax at home, right?
Exactly. For me, free time is about relaxing and not doing anything too active.
And that's totally okay. There's no right or wrong way to spend your free time.
True, as long as you enjoy it. Speaking of which, do you have any other hobbies?
Well, I also like cooking, but I don't know if it's really a hobby or just something I have to do.
I know what you mean. I cook because I need to eat, not really for fun.
But sometimes I try new recipes, and that's fun. Last weekend, I made homemade pasta.
Homemade pasta? That sounds complicated.
It wasn't too bad. It took a long time, but it was worth it. It tasted amazing.
I'm impressed. I usually just make simple things. Pasta from a box, some vegetables, done.
Nothing wrong with that. Quick and easy.
Exactly. I want my cooking to be fast so I can get back to watching my videos.
You really love your videos.
I do. It's my way of unwinding.
I understand. For me, going to the gym is how I unwind. It seems strange, but exercise helps me clear my mind.
That's interesting. For some people, exercise gives them energy and helps them relax. For me, it just makes me tired.
Everyone's different. That's what makes life interesting.
True. So, how often do you read? You mentioned every night, yes?
I try to read every night, yes, but on weekends I might read for longer, maybe an hour or two.
Do you have a favorite author?
Oh, that's a hard question. I like so many. But if I had to choose, maybe Agatha Christie. She wrote mystery novels.
Ah, the old detective stories.
Yes, they're so clever. I love trying to guess who did the crime before the end of the book.
Do you ever guess correctly?
Sometimes, but usually the author surprises me. That's what makes it fun.
I can see why you like it. For me, I watch a lot of documentary videos. They're educational, but also entertaining.
What topics do you like?
History, science, nature. I watched a great documentary about space last week.
Space. That sounds fascinating.
It was. I learned so much. That's what I love about documentaries. You relax and learn at the same time.
That's a great combination. So really, we both enjoy learning in our free time. You watch documentaries and I read books.
You're right. We're not so different after all.
Just different methods.
Exactly. And different energy levels. You go to the gym, I sit on the sofa.
Both are valid choices.
Definitely. Do you ever feel guilty for not being productive in your free time?
Sometimes. Like, should I be learning a new skill or doing something important?
Yeah, I get that feeling too. But I think it's important to just relax sometimes.
I agree. Free time is for recharging. It doesn't always have to be productive.
Right. Whether you're reading a book, exercising, watching videos, or listening to music, if it makes you happy, that's what matters.
Well said, Jake.
Thank you. So, listeners, what about you? What do you like to do in your free time?
Yes, we'd love to know. Do you prefer active hobbies like going to the gym or relaxing hobbies like watching TV?
Or maybe something completely different.
Everyone has their own way of enjoying free time, and that's beautiful.
Absolutely. The important thing is to find what works for you.
Well, that's all we have time for today.
Thank you so much for listening to the Gentle English Start.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about hobbies and free time.
Remember, it's okay to relax and do what you enjoy.
Whether that's reading a book, going to the gym, watching videos, or anything else.
We'll be back next week with another episode.
Until then, keep practicing your English.
And don't forget to enjoy your free time.
Bye for now.
See you next time.